Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Tech Pawan. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you all can install and run OneUI 8 Android 16 custom ROM on your Samsung M52 5G device. As you can see on the screen, I successfully be able to install this custom ROM on my Samsung M52 5G device. After watching and following this tutorial, you all also will be able to install and run this custom ROM on your device too. So let's get start our video and see how we can do this. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. Okay friends, before continuing to the installation process of this custom ROM on your Samsung M52 5G device, you all are required to unlock the bootloader of your phone. So if you don't know the way of unlocking the bootloader of your device, you can refer to the video that I have included in the description of this video to unlock your bootloader. As the next step, you need to install a custom recovery like TWRP custom recovery or Orange Fox custom recovery on this device. So if you don't know the process of installing these custom recoveries on your Samsung M52 5G device, you can also find a tutorial for that from the given links in the description of this video. So after completing of unlocking the bootloader and installation of a custom recovery on your device, you can continue with this tutorial. Install the OneUI 8 Android 16 custom ROM on your Samsung M52 5G device. If you are planning to install a custom ROM on your device or even unlocking a device, you need to take a full backup of the current data that included in your, because this custom ROM installation process will permanently wipe all the data that included in your phone. That's why we need to take a full backup of the device. As the next step, you need to download the custom ROM file from the given links in the description of this video. After that, you need to place it in your external SD card. Then we can boot into the custom recovery to flash this custom ROM. You need to turn off your mobile like this. Okay guys, now you need to connect your USB cable to the phone and press and hold your power key and volume up key together like this. Then release all keys and press both of those keys once again. Press and hold them. Now your device will be booted into the TWRP recovery or the recovery that you have already installed on your phone. Okay friends, now I have successfully rebooted to the recovery partition of my phone, and I'm going to install this OneUI 8 custom ROM on my Samsung M52 5G device. First of all, we are required to format everything in our device. So to do that, you need to go to the wipe option, then click on the advanced wipe option and tick these things: Dalvik cache, metadata and data partitions. Don't select other partitions. Then you need to use this switch to wipe option. After completing the data formatting process, you need to press back button and go to the home of your TeamWin recovery. Then go to install option. Here you need to select the external storage of your phone. Then find your custom ROM file. Now select the custom ROM file and use this switch to flash option. Wait till completing of this flashing process. This will take a while. Okay friends, here I have successfully flashed this custom ROM on my phone, and I am going to press back button on my phone. I am not going to reboot my device here because I need to wipe the data partition too. So to do that, I am going to the wipe option on my recovery. Then I need to click on this format data option. Here need to type yes and click on the enter button. This will format everything in your internal memory and fix the booting issue of your new custom ROM. So if you have skipped this step, your device will be stuck at the booting screen or rebooted again and again into the TWRP recovery or the recovery that you have installed on your phone. So click on reboot system option. Okay friends, now we can continue to the new custom ROM. Okay friends, when it comes to here, you can see we have successfully placed this OneUI 8 Android 16 custom ROM on our Samsung M52 5G device. So with that, I am going to wind up this video. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification net and join with me.